Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of Brave. Very good settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave app and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.